So this slide is basically mainly done for the startups and people who are doing it for the first time without much exposure to the any industry, or not switching over from existing one industry to other industry, those kind of people. So when it is time to approach the technology providers uh, or the suppliers, those kind of people. So this whole of these plants, Satat scheme, gas, everything is a very bigger game. This startup is not something like you put few lakhs and take out few lakhs, nor it is like a IT startup. It is a proper manufacturing line we are talking about. So even if you go for a 2-ton plant, we are talking about a 3.35 crores of annual revenue. And this is a process industry. That means end to end, there is no way that I would add it later. There is no such option. All of the machineries are interlinked, so everything has to be done from the day one. And we are talking about a 15 years plus longer life. Some of these digesters in US are working for more than 25 years. So 15 years minimum life we are talking, and OMCs are also signing the contract for 15 years. So from this to 2 TPD plant, without considering any appreciation in the price, we are talking about 50 crore of revenue from this plant. Now the challenge is this 50 crore revenue or this 3.35 crore revenue would not come just without investing anything. So a lot of time, lot of thinking gets into proposing a solution for you. That is from our side. At the same time, 3.35 crore kind of revenue cannot be created by you without having any money at hand. So for us it costs, so for you also it costs. That being the case, you should have at least be willing to spend on a workable project report. So project report free में कोई बना देगा, that will not happen. So icons will charge for our time. So we do not encourage any uh, free services at all, because we worked our way in the industry by spending a lot of money and making a lot of investment. So we are very clear, there is we don't provide any kind of free service. So my very straightforward request is, if you are looking for something free, definitely this is the forum, this is the YouTube or video you can always watch any number of times. Next is, before getting the loan, you will need at least 25 lakh rupees. You have to take pollution control board approval, you have to do the project report kind of things, you have to do layout, you have to convert your land to industrial conversion, you have to take panchayat licenses. If at all, if you want us to do the market study and look at the land before construction, so all those is going to cost. So before the loan arrives, you need, and legal fees will be there. So with all those, the bank fees and everything, at least 25 lakhs has to be there in pocket before you even think of this project. Next is, we need 1.5 to 4 acres of industrial converted land. If you have a agri land, no bank will lend you. So it can be a agricultural project, agri infrastructure project. RBI said it, Prime Minister said it. Whoever says it, take it in writing that if it is not an industrially converted land, no bank would encourage you at all. Be whatever is the rules. Next is 25 to 30% of margin money. Let us say if your loan amount is 10 crore, you need to have 2 crore margin money upfront in your company's account. That is option number one. Or else you should know where your those 2 crore of margin money will come, 2 or 3 crore, whatever the margin money bank is asking. And this margin money or the collateral, those things are not in the hands of technology providers, nor me, nor in the hands of Indian Oil, nobody. It depends fully on the bank, especially manager to manager changes. So fortunately, unfortunately, willingly, I do not know. I will not comment on it. But Indian banking is, there is no proper set guidelines. That is the market reality. That being the case, since there is no written proper scientific guidelines at all, it is all human to human interaction level. So if some manager asks you for 50% margin money, you have to go for it. If it is 0% margin money, that is also possible. So anything is possible, anything is, nothing is impossible, I would say. No? So it is the way you work. So if it is not working with one manager in the same bank, with other manager, it can work. So that is how the things work in our banking system. Then approaching the bank itself, for many people it may not be a feasible or known solution. In those things, you should immediately hire an external financial consultant who is capable, and don't pay them too much, but free of cost. Again, they will also not work. So you have to balance between the consultancy fee as well as the service. You can have a clear milestones of the progress, and you should go for a paid external consultancy if you do not know how to deal with the bank. Once your letter of intent, LOI, bank guarantee is submitted, you have margin money availability, and pre-loan expenses are in hand, that is the time we should think of the detailed executable project report. Until that, you can go for a smaller, brief version of the project report with some financial projections. So we make the project reports also. Our own chartered account is now well versed with making the financial projections for the CBG. So we can provide you that service. And also we build, operate with the output guarantee. In that case, our cost will be around 3.5 rupees per kg of CBG will be our cost of enzyme supervising all those things. So if Icons is going to run the plant for you, you have to keep aside 3 rupee 50 paisa for Icons uh, from your 46 rupees. So this is the complete story. This is a very encouraging and going to be very big industry in coming days. So earlier you enter, it is better.